Hey guys, Mark here with Ag Drone Concepts, and today I'm going to show you how I wired my J150 charger. So these are the adapters that connect to the charger. Now I could have, first off I had to look at my generator and what plugs do I have available for me, and I have one 50 amp plug, right, with the 50 amp breaker, and I have a 30 amp plug with a 30 amp breaker. So that's what I had to go with. I could have put these two wires, I could have cut this and I could have just installed the 50 amp plug on it, but that would not have been as efficient as, having just a 50 amp and not utilizing the rest of the power that you could have. So we decided to go with using the adapters and wiring a 30 amp plug and wiring a 30 amp plug. Okay, let me just show you really quick what they look like. So this is the 50 amp plug. We have our ground up top, this U-shaped prong, and then the sides are our hots. So the ground, when you see the adapter, the yellow and green wire is ground, the blue and brown is hot, and there's no neutral. That's why I don't have a prong down here, that's neutral. For your 30 amp plug, you'll see that you've got the L-shaped prong here, and same concept as your 50 amp. This is gonna be your ground, your yellow and green wire. These two on the side is for your hot, your blue and brown, and then this is neutral. There's nothing, there's no wire connected to this neutral. It's just here, it's no big deal, can still be used and plugged in, but there's nothing connected to it. So we'll come over here, we'll plug in our adapters, we'll be running the generator, we'll connect our adapters from the charger to these plug adapters, and we're good to go. We're off and running, we're charging, and we've got the drone in the air working for us, and everything operates very smoothly. I don't have any breakers tripped. This is an 18,000 watt generator, so it's plenty of power for me to charge, and if I need to run like Starlink or charge controllers, or also the pump for the chemical mixing tank behind the generator, all my essentials that I need, this generator is more than enough. So that's about it. Yeah, it's a pretty basic setup, and just kind of used what we had to work with. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, leave comments down below. I can answer them as best I can. Follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram at Ag Drone Concepts, and you can also visit our website where we sell products such as chemical mixing tanks. This is the Drone Skid Pro right here, currently on a trailer, but it's for a flatbed setup, and we also sell apparel. So this is one of our shirts, and it's pretty cool stuff. Aerial field wear, farm tested, sky approved. So get yours online at agdroneconcepts.com. Thanks guys.